Hello all, it's Jenna. When we talk about science, we're really referring to one model of science. That's a model, third-person science, in which an outside observer examines the object under study. So, like a frog on a dissecting table, and then the scientist who dissects that frog and discovers something about that third person object. But there is actually another form, another model of science, and Dr. Eugene Genlin identified it and spoke about it. He spoke about first person science. In that science, the one understudy studies herself. And this is possible because the human body is this ancient organism connected to the universe and capable in many ways of gathering information from all of its interactions and putting them together to form new knowledge that has never been seen before on the face of the earth. There's a way in which each of us can go inside his or her body and make new discoveries about what is a human being. And we need this science very, very much. I spoke recently about surrogacy, in which women are being sold as breeders. What we need, we have the third-person scientists making all kinds of pronouncements on what this is about. What we do not have are the experiences of the women undergoing this commercialized breeding. What is that experience like for her? Now, my training is as a journalist, and in the course of writing various books, I interviewed people using those journalistic skills. That means asking questions and taking in the answers and blah, 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 other stuff as well. But there's a greater depth to which one can go to learn about another person's experience in this world. And that is to facilitate a woman or a man going into their own body and bringing forth new knowledge. And I'm going to do a little series on this, explaining how this can be done, because, one, I would love to do this work. I have done some of this work, first-person criminology, so speaking with inmates in a prison and sitting with them in such a way that they can go to deeper and deeper levels of their humanity to discover places from which they were capable of committing crimes, or everything that was involved in this to a much greater degree than we have in the literature, as they call it now. They can go into their own bodies and bring back amazing knowledge. So I have done some of this, but like all of us, I don't know how long I'm going to live. And this needs to be done. So I want to do a series explaining how this can be done so that people can conduct this, help others conduct this first-person science. So I'm laying it out here, and in the coming videos, I will explain how one could go about doing that. So please join me. Please subscribe, share, or comment, and let's do this together. I would love it if you did this work, and if you went inside yourself and bring forth knowledge about your human experience that the rest of us need. We need what you know. So I'll see you next time. Bye now.